Once upon a time, in the sunny little town of Green Meadows, 3 friends named Lily, Max, and Ben. This park was filled with tall trees, colorful flowers, and fluttering butterflies. Every time they visited, the park seemed to smile back at them with its vibrant colors and cheerful. Lily was a spirited little girl with curly hair and sparkling blue eyes. She was always buzzing with energy and loved sharing her ideas. Max was gentle and kind, with a knack for making everyone laugh. He wore glasses that made his bright brown eyes look even bigger. Benny, the little rabbit, was the fun-loving animal who could hop around just as quickly as Lily could. Together they made the perfect team. One sunny day, while they were playing games and laughing, they noticed something that made them frown. Oh no! Look at all this trash! Lily pointed to the bits of plastic and litter scattered around under the trees and on the grass. The park needs our help. Benny twitched his ears in agreement, yes. This isn't a happy place for the animals either. We need to take care of it. So, the friends decided they would hold a Nature Helpers Day. They would clean the park and make it beautiful again. After a quick chat and a few giggles, Max exclaimed, "Let's be superheroes who save the day." They all cheered. Yeah, nature helpers to the rescue. The next morning, they came back to the park with colorful bags in hand. The sun shined bright, and the birds chirped merrily. As they cleaned, they realized how much trash was hiding among the grass and flowers. Look at this plastic bottle, Max, Lily said, pulling it from behind a bush. If we don't pick it up, the animals might think it's food. As they picked up more trash, the little friends felt a warm glow inside them. They knew they were helping to make the park a safer and happier home for the animals. Benny even found a shiny wrapper and said, "Let's give this to the trash, and because trash doesn't be." With the park slowly becoming cleaner, they added another element to their Nature Helpers Day. "Let's plant flowers too," suggested Max. They gathered some seeds and explored the park to choose the best spots for them. "This sunny patch here is perfect," said Lily excitedly, pointing at a spot that looked like magic with dandelions swaying gently. Together, they dug little holes, planted the seeds, and watered them lovingly. They imagined how the beautiful flowers would bloom and attract happy butterflies. As they finished planting, they noticed little critters watching them. A curious squirrel hopped closer, twitching its nose. "What are you doing?" it asked, eyes wide with wonder. Billy smiled and said, "We are cleaning the park and planting flowers. Would you help us too?" The squirrel nodded eagerly. "Of course. I can help gather up those acorns later." With laughter ringing in the air, more animals started joining in. Birds chirped, butterflies fluttered. They all were excited that the park was becoming a brighter and greener place. After a day filled with laughter, teamwork, and a sprinkle of nature magic, the park was shining. The trash was all gone, and vibrantly colored flowers swayed in the gentle breeze. Every creature felt the happiness filling the air. Max took a deep breath and said, "Wow, we did it! This place feels like home again." As the sun began to set, colors of oranges and pinks painted the sky, a spark of reflection and sty. Every little action matters, doesn't it? If we care for nature, it invites more love around. The little friends smiled at each other, knowing that their actions had created more than just a CLE. They had made it a joyful home for all living beings. From that day on, the nature helpers Lily, Max, and Benny visited the park every week to check on TH. And as they played, more and more children in Green Meadows learned to join them, singing and laughing. In this way, the story of the nature helpers began to spread, and the park continued to thrive with